What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today switching gears a little bit. I decided to do a simple DIY aloe vera gel video today. So basically what you're gonna need is your aloe vera plants, cheesecloth, a knife, a nice container. I have my glass container, as you can see, and a blender. So first what you're gonna do is just cut the sides of the plant. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to cut it into sections. If you're looking closely, you can see that gel is very slimy. I don't know if you can tell by looking, so please be careful if you plan to do this, because it is so easy to slip and accidentally cut yourself, so please be careful with that. Some people tend to use gloves. I don't think that would help with the slipperiness of it. I don't think it would, but just do your very best to be careful and to get a good grip on all of the aloe vera. So basically, you just pull off the top part of the skin. If it's any on the top part, I always come back to it. I tend to handle what's in my hand, my left hand, because I'm right-handed. So whatever's in my left hand, I go ahead and clear that out first. And I'm just scraping the gel off the skin and then moving to the next piece. So for this, I did actually use 2 aloe vera leaves, but for the sake of time, I only recorded myself cutting off the first one. So you just pull off the skin on both and then scrape the excess gel into your container. Okay, just a little educational tip here. I just want to tell you guys some of the benefits that aloe vera has. For skin, it's anti-aging, anti-inflammation. It helps heal wounds faster. It lightens scars, blemishes, treats stretch marks, treats acne, soothes sunburn, treats dry skin, and it helps with skin irritation from insect bites. So this is what it looks like once you get all the gel cut out. And you can squeeze that gel with your hand and make it a little bit mushy. And then you can kind of drain it with your cheesecloth, or you can use a blender, which I'm going to do. And then after I blend it all together, I'm going to go in with my cheesecloth and drain out the gel. Okay guys, if you are using a blender, just blend it for about 5 to 10 seconds, just so you won't have any chunks. It doesn't have to be super liquidy. Now I'm coming in with my cheesecloth, and this was purchased at Walmart. I did not know what size to get, so I just got a small one. I would recommend a bigger one just for width, because you'll see I kind of struggled a little bit. I had to use the palm of my hand to control how much gel was in the cheesecloth, so I definitely would recommend getting a wider one. But you just double it up and fold it in half. That's what I did. And then I just put the aloe vera gel in it and just squeeze the gel out, and this was a pretty easy process. Aloe vera actually has some pretty dope hair benefits as well. It is a great conditioner for starters. It leaves your hair super smooth and shiny. It actually contains an enzyme that repairs dead skin cells on your scalp. And we all love this one. It promotes hair growth and reduces an itchy scalp and reduces dandruff. So please take the time to get your aloe in, whether it's for your skin or your hair. You will absolutely love this plant. If you notice, the cheesecloth is catching the actual plant part of the aloe vera, which is that green part. So when you're cutting it, if you don't get all of the green out before you put it in the blender, don't sweat it, because the cheesecloth will catch all of that. As always, thanks for watching, guys. This video was super fun to make, so I will be doing more DIYs in the future. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.